जाते जाते ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव गॉट दिस रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम एवरीवन, यू नो, जितने लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, वी विल प्ले अंगारो, और आपको चिंगारी कैसे जलाते हैं वो सिखाना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज आई कांट.
No, before that, can I just talk to everyone?
Please, yes.
Hi guys. Are you all waiting for the release? Pakka you'll go watch. I'll be looking forward for all your reviews, huh? Yeah, I really will, because I know every time I spoke to all of you guys, you were only asking when is Pushpa 2 coming, when is Pushpa 2 coming. So finally it is releasing. Now please watch it on in theaters on December 5th, and I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoy it. Bas, I'll stop.
She said it. बस ठीक है, अभी बोल दिया ना, अभी करने का है. So can we have that song थोड़ा सा?
आप करोगे मेरे साथ?
मैं तो I'm dying to do.
वज्रवैडूर्यालङ्करणं मणिहारं महाद्भुतं सन्तोषमे प्रतीक्षणमुयिका शुभप्रदमुगा नीवु रागसिरुल वेडुका संतोषं प्रतीक्षणं मानिपल्ली ज्युवेलर्स.